Hi guys, Chris Rivera here, founder of The eCommerce Accountants. We're an accounting firm that specializes in e-commerce businesses specifically. Prior to having my own firm, I actually worked in corporate America for Ernst & Young, where I specialized in tax planning, business structuring for big, huge multinational corporations. Here's the deal. Most accountants are what I like to call a generalist, which basically means they take on all different types of clients, from cryptocurrency companies to real estate to doctors, lawyers, etc. And how can you expect that type of accountant to understand your business enough to know the specific tax planning strategies that will save your e-commerce business money and taxes? What I recommend for e-commerce businesses is pretty much cookie cutter across the board for all e-commerce businesses, and that's structuring your LLC as an S-Corp for tax purposes. Simply put, if you don't structure as an S-Corp, you're gonna get double taxed by the IRS. They're gonna hit you with income taxes and they're gonna hit you with self-employment taxes. S-Corps enable you to mitigate or entirely reduce self-employment taxes, which on their own is a 15.3% tax rate that we're fighting to get you out of paying. So LLCs are really great for business owners across the board, not even necessarily just e-commerce brands specifically. So LLCs are great for legal purposes. They provide you with legal protection that protect you and the business from one another. The problem with LLCs is they don't necessarily provide beneficial tax treatment. You literally, if you're an individual owner of an LLC, you have to specially request with the IRS to be treated as an S-Corp. That will enable you to get beneficial tax treatment. So this is a problem I see all the time with entrepreneurs in general. They undervalue accounting and taxes. So what they do is they go out and find the cheapest accountant available. The problem with that is preparing tax returns is quite literally putting numbers on forms. And if you don't hire the right person, they're gonna do just that. They're gonna put numbers on a form, and they're not gonna apply their mind to figure out how to cater a tax planning strategy specifically to you and your business that's actually gonna save you money on your tax return. Okay, so basically our services are tiered into 3 specific products. The first one is for entrepreneurs that earn less than $50,000 per month in sales. If you're in that category, we have a course or an informational product that only costs $97. Literally, that course is catered to teach you as the entrepreneur that's just starting out, just scaling up your store, etc., to learn everything you need to know to be able to do the work yourself. We call it a do-it-yourself package. For anyone in excess of $50,000 per month in sales, we offer a free consultation to figure out how it is that we can help you specifically to grow your business. And the third tier is really specialized. We offer an outsourced CFO service, which is basically we set up an outsourced accounting department for your business. You'll have a sales tax operation. You'll have a bookkeeping accounting operation. You'll have taxes and tax planning, all within one package. Okay, so for e-commerce in general, detailed bookkeeping is extremely important. The reason is very simple. It's very tempting to take shortcuts in your bookkeeping because a lot of the data is readily available. If you're on Shopify, your Shopify sales are easily accessible. If you're on Amazon, your Amazon sales are easily accessible. The problem is there's a lot of small expenses, you know, your office supplies, that laptop you bought, etc., that aren't easy to keep track of. So my recommendation is do detailed bookkeeping analysis. And you can do that very easily with a system like QuickBooks that syncs up directly with your credit cards and bank accounts, so you're not gonna miss any of those business transactions and you're gonna deduct everything that you can. Okay, so over the next 2 years, there's 2 main things that we're trying to push. The first one is assisting foreign entrepreneurs that are operating in the US. At this point in time, we're only taking on American clients. So eventually I'd love to help out the e-com business owners that are overseas. I also want to expand out on my team. Right now we're a small headcount. There's only 6 of us in our operation right now, but the workload is coming in very quickly. So growing out my team to be able to continue to grow is another thing that we're aiming for in the very near future.